Now, that is question number one. Second part. In the statement, it is written there only n, and that is z. N means set of natural numbers, and z means set of integers. Natural numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and set of integers where negative as well as positive both numbers are. The combination of the set make the set of integers. All the positive numbers are here and all also negative numbers. So such type of the set whose all elements are present in set Z. So what is the relation between these two sets? Anybody can give me the answer of that one? Right, good. It is called subset. So N is a subset of Z, and mathematically we write like that one. N is subset. This is a sign of subset. N is subset of Z. So whenever we are taking its union, so the answer is the bigger set, superset is the answer in union, and intersection, the smaller subset is the answer in the intersection. So I have to explain the tabular form, you already knew that one. So I want to explain this set with the help of Venn diagram. So with Venn diagram of the union property, that is a universal set. Universal set is mean as a complete box is a universal set. Biggest set. So this is a set is Z. Its diagram is not like that one before because all the elements are present it here. So here inside there is set of N. Its diagram like that one. When you are taking its union, the diagram is the same in the both intersect union of the first property and also in the second property. Means for A union B is the same diagram, and also same diagram we will use that in the B union A. In a union, I told you that all of the answer, all the elements must be in the answer. So when you are taking N union Z, so our answer is 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to so on. Means it's going on, no limit. So all the elements of natural numbers are also here. They're like positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4 up to so on. And also all the elements of negative is also here. So our final answer, I will shaded it with the help of this. The final answer is this one, complete. Right? Because all the elements of set Z and all the elements of set N is including that one. Right? When A union B and also the same diagram, we have to use that one for B union A. B union A, because superset is always superset. It is not possible that we have to write Z here and N is there like previous set. So in the both commutative property of union, both sides for A union B and B union A, same diagram, we will use that one. Now I want to explain that one, intersection. First we will write it here, intersection and intersection Z. Intersection mean set of that elements which are present in the both sets. 0 is not there, so 0 will not write. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. All the positive numbers are common in the both sets. Right? For diagram, first we will write universal set, bigger set, superset, its subset, and so what is our answer? Our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are where available? In set of natural numbers. Right? So its answer for the intersection of the property, the shaded portion is this one. That is our answer. So the both, it means that commutative property of intersection for the both sides, we have to make the same diagram. So we will write that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. What is the name of this property? Name of this property? Is it in your mind? Yes, good. That is the commutative property of intersection, and this one is the commutative property of union. Good. Good boy. Now I will explain the next question in which type of the diagram we have to write that one. Now students, in question number 2, all the diagram I made it first, then want to explain the first question. Now there is no return of the set, but the condition of the set is given that which type of the set? Overlapping. Overlapping means there is some portion is common. Overlapping means some portion is common. So the first we have to find overlapping sets, we have to find A union B. So what is the answer of A union B? As I told you before, in union the complete elements covered, all the elements covered is called union. So which portion we have to shed it? So here our answer is this complete portion you have to shed it. From this point to, but don't go outside the A and B, because outside the portion of the set of the universal set, right? So if there is portion is going outside, it's wrong. So you have to just shaded the portion inside the circles A and B. And also here U intersect, so U union A, that is not true U. So there is U universal set, indicate this one, right? This U indicate the universal set, the biggest set. This U indicate the operation between them. Which operation? Union. Which is this operation? Union. And this set A. I told you in a union, if there are two sets, one set is the superset, one set is the smaller set, like we solved in the previous question, number 1, second part. So in union, the superset is the answer, but in intersection, the answer is the subset. So here we will take this portion complete. So because this is a union, so complete portion you have to shade it, because here we have to write our answer. Answer we have to show with the help of the shaded portion. If the same question is also coming in part 5th, that if the universal set is this one, universal set, this is A set, and we have to find intersection. In intersection, the subset is our answer. It is also solved in the previous question, number 1, second part. So this is the answer of intersection. If we will take intersection, then you will shaded this portion because subset, right? If the union, the answer is superset. So shaded like that one. Third part, A union A. A union A. It means that when both sets are A, then what is the answer? Definitely, you are right. The answer is also A, because there is nothing any element. So the same, it's a 6th part is here saying A intersection A. So what is our answer? Here is also the same answer because the set is the same. That's why the set are the change, then the answer will be change like here. Because universal set and A set, there are two sets. One is universal, one is A. There are two sets because you will not be confused that sir here is also A but we are shaded this portion. Here is also A, we are shaded only this portion. These are two sets. One is the universal set, second is the A set. But here we are using only set A. So intersection and union both have the same answer. So the last and the final answer. So what is that? A intersection B. When A and B, what is the relation between A and B? Good, subset. So what is subset? B is a subset of A. So what is the answer in intersection? Subset or superset? Subset, like here. Good. So this is our answer. Question number 2, there are 6 parts, all parts I explained. Question number 1, there are 4 parts, 2 parts I explained, 2 is as assignment. Question number 3, you will also solve with the help of your own mind and intelligence, right? If any confusion, then you can ask the questions in Zoom class. Now, all these questions you write on your notebook. If any confusion, then we will discuss on Zoom class the problems which you have feeling or facing in this exercise we will solve. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.